standing outside of the Macomb Correctional Facility in Lenox Township. It's right on 26 Mile, very close to I-94. And the reason we're here today is because we are expanding our COVID testing sewage project that we have. We have already started in Clinton Township, where we've been taking tests in 7 different sites in Clinton Township. We actually test in the manhole twice a week, and then we're running those tests, and of course what we're looking for is COVID, and whether or not there's a virus that's being shed. And of course we all know it's around us. It's interesting that some of the numbers we're already finding though, because you can actually you could be shedding virus in your waste stream a week or 2 before you actually present with symptoms. Or you might never have symptoms, and yet you actually do have COVID and you could be a spreader of it. And so we think that this is going to be a fantastic tool for our Macomb County Health Department, for our hospitals, where we're actually able to sort of be a precursor of what is happening. And we can also find areas, they call them hot spots, where we know where there's quite a bit of COVID. Now the reason we actually have just we had $1 million grant to start our program, which is fantastic. And we're using federal money, federal dollars. It's come to Macomb County. There's a lot of traffic in this video, so I want to make sure you can hear me. But we're using what they call CARES Act dollars. It's federal money that's come to Macomb. And you have to use the money for things that are COVID related. And so our program is fantastic for that. Now the state is very interested in what we've been doing in Macomb County, so we are now going to expand what we're doing in Sterling Heights. We're going to start with expansion in Sterling Heights next week, very shortly. We'll also be testing there. But we want to test at the correctional facility because, as you all know, because of this COVID, there's been a lot of early releases of prisoners because of the COVID. And we want to be, again, a tool for our correctional facility here. They can understand what the incidence, I guess, or the level of COVID actually is in their correctional facility. So we're going to be testing on a very regular basis, and of course, sharing out these results. Macomb County Health Department and our correctional facility. In fact, here's the sign, right? We're right on 26 Mile. And now if you want to just follow me over here, you'll see there's the manhole. So this is how close it is. This is really a perfect situation for us to be able to test very easily. I mean, pretty much everybody all of the waste that's going through this particular part of the sewer coming out of this correctional facility. So again, I think it will really be a tool not only to understand what's happening with the COVID, but when they're making decisions about early release of prisoners, all of us get quite concerned about that, right? And the more information that our correctional facilities and our officers have, the better. So we want to be a part of helping them to make the right decisions. Thanks for joining us.